What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my Diecast life. My name is Lee, if you don't already know. And today we're going to be checking out 3 things I opened up the last week. It's been a slow week of cracking things open, but these 3 are going to be worth it. Hanging out, checking these out with me. I already made reels for each one of these guys, but you know, they're just quick little clips, so you don't really see you know, how nice they actually are. So sit back, relax. We're gonna check out 3 pieces, 3 different levels of die cast. Yeah, so let's get it going. So first one up, Hot Wheels Premium. And we got a Toyota Land Cruiser. This is one of the modern day ones. Something I would love, absolutely love to have as a daily driver. But no way am I paying these new car prices these days. This is like pre-tariff, you know, this is just regular, any day of the week price, you know, like we're talking about $100,000 here in Canada. So it's a little bit nutty, but it does look good. Like, check it out. That thing is gorgeous. Hot Wheels did a really good job with this one. Obviously, you know, there's going to be Hot Wheels things like these rims are going to be generic Hot Wheels rims. The headlights, the tampling, the Toyota, everything's just a sticker, you know? It's just a deco. At least they got side mirrors, but then the side mirrors are usually really thick. So if those kind of things bother you, Hot Wheels isn't really for you. You know, you need something a little bit more high-end. It's not even about being high-end. Hot Wheels is kind of like, they still want to cater to kids, like younger kids too, as well. So I can't imagine, you know, you can't have like something that a kid can just rip off and eat. You know, not all kids are smart. You know what I mean? Some kids are just hungry. So, but this looks good. It's good. Hot Wheels did good with their Hot Wheels style. And I like how they have that little line there, that little crease in the body. That's nice. That body line right there. Yeah, that's nice. That's some detail right there. Okay, next one up is another Hot Wheels. We're just gonna stay in the zoom position. Why not? RLC. Beautiful. That's all I gotta say. This thing is gorgeous, guys. I knew this. I love the back license plate. Just gonna hold it up because I don't want to move the camera. It looks like it says "faux on." If you guys know what faux is, I'm like, why does it say "faux on"? So funny. Yeah. Oh, raise them up too far. Yeah. Anyways, it's a super clean piece. Pops the motor. I believe this is a twin turbo V6, right? This is not my style of vehicle, so somebody correct me if I'm wrong. But this is a pretty fast car back in the day. Fast truck. Or whatever this is, you know? Is it an SUV? Yeah, this is the SUV, because they had the truck too, right? Alright, anyways. What do you guys think? RLC? Always expensive RLC, but you know, nobody else is making this truck, so they're doing a great job. All right, last but not least, last but not least, NO64 with this Nissan. Crazy race car. And this NO has a has a new trick up its sleeve. First time for me seeing this trick. Maybe you guys seen it on other NO, but I have. This is the first time I've seen this. But crazy things like that tow hook, that's good detail. You know, the lens detail for the headlights, you guys can, you know, you can obviously see that. This is the kind of detail that, you know, you would never get in a Hot Wheels. You can see those mirrors, the small antennas. You can see how small all those fine detail are. So the back is a pretty race car, just lights, nothing special. What's sick is this back piece pops off. It's magnetic, so it just pops off. And you get a good look at the motor. Let's see if I can give you guys a better look at it. Keep my finger out of there. My beautiful finger. But yeah, you can see so much detail. That's beautiful. Love it. And then you got this piece here. You see the little magnet right there? Just put this on the back here like this. And boom. Just connects right back. Right back home. Look at the detail. Like, you gotta be zoomed in. You gotta be looking at this thing carefully. That's just to see all the extra detail that they put into crafting this, you know. Like I said, I was giving a lot of praise to this Toyota 4Runner by Hot Wheels Premium earlier. Because it just looks good, you know, it looks real enough. This goes like beyond it. It like actually, like, you know, I'm never gonna see this car in real life. This is the closest I'm gonna see it, and I'm seeing like crazy detail that because of this model, you know, because they decided to go this deep with it. It's crazy. Love it. Appreciate it. Appreciate all diecast, you know, all levels of diecast. I appreciate it. As long as they're doing it good. But you guys let me know which one of these did you guys pick up? Hot Wheels Premium, Hot Wheels RLC, and then NO64. And yeah, that's the crazy part, is the opening part on that NO. That's like the first time I've ever seen NO have an opening part. Correct me if I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong, guys. Because I do not remember ever seeing an NO64 with an opening part. And I have a lot of NO64. Like, I'm not saying like, you know, I'm not saying that, you know, I have like 2 NO and both of those don't have opening parts. I have like 40 NO. You know what I mean? That's a lot of NO. You know, NO is not cheap. Spent a lot of money with that company. And yeah, I love it. That they need to keep doing the opening parts. And you've seen it again. Another NO that rolls. You know? That's a big deal, bud. That's a big deal. Let's get this one focused here. Right here. Right here, buddy. Right here. Okay. Yeah, like, check that out. Like, that rolls. That's beautiful. Yeah. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out and checking out what I opened up in the last week. I love just, you know, having a better look at the stuff that I opened up. Instead of just a quick reel. Sorry, I can't talk right now, my mouth dry. A quick reel. It's you know, like a little bit more in depth, you know what I mean? Just hanging out, taking a close look. And you know, hopefully I influence some of you guys to pick up one of these pieces up, or if you already have a piece, you know what I mean. I hope I influence you to open it up. All right, guys. Peace. Like, subscribe, everything.